Hey guys, welcome back. Today's episode we're going to be cleaning up the snow. I just got the truck all cleaned off as you saw, and we have to get the driveway cleaned up as well. So we're doing a little snow cleanup. I got the snow plow on the tractor, I got the snow blower on the back of the tractor, so we have the tools ready to go. Stay with me, I'll show you what I'm up to. On my last episode where I was using the snow thrower, one of my subscribers made a comment that you should be brushing off the snow and whatnot off your snow blower and off the snow plow because inevitably you're going to be getting some salt on it from where the town or the state goes past the end of your driveway and dumps the sand salt mix to salt the roads. And I said, absolutely, you're right. That's something that I do, but it's nothing that I usually show you guys because it's nothing too exciting. But anyway, you're in for a treat. Something not exciting. I'm going to brush the snow off. Stay with me, guys. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. The driveway's cleared up, the snow's removed, the cars are cleared off, we're good to go. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I appreciate you being here. I hope to see you soon on my next episode. Until then, bye-bye.